Oh, yes. They have now got all of them. Ari?
Ari was saying, no, I am not seeing.
Aliota?
Salimuta.
Yeah.
Please go and tell the singer to come. The person told.
Which one are you telling?
All of them. All of them, they got the same message. There is a singer who is supposed to bring for me the band.
So you have not seen Senga yet?
Let them come.
Among these, they are not there?
I did not see.
Okay.
I did not see.
Put the record on. Let the Senga come. Okay, thanks very much. There you are. There you are. I pass it to her. Also, because you need because that bat again.
It will go away. It will go away. Don't be scared of that, but when the right thing comes.
How can an old man get scared in his home?
Thank you very much. Then it makes me confident if you're not scared.
Wow.
You're home. It means that what I want will come and the bat will go away.
If you don't identify this one, then you are real war captives.
chosen generation. We've been called for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me, and I know who I am. We are the chosen generation. We've been called for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me, for I know who I am. I know who God says I am. What He says I am. Where He says I'm at. I know who I am. I'm working in power. I work in miracles. I live a life of favor. For I know who I am. I'm working in power. I work in miracles. I live a life of favor. For I know who I am.
Koturi Loka Suban. Praise the Lord.
Papa Elama Enoinoi. I'm very happy and happy because finally I'm breathing so well.
Kulikayo. Karekisi.
Eunice, we love you so much. And I'm here. Emma has given me this letter and I'm presenting it to you. He said, you are a priceless princess of his life.
Queen, like a token.